بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Hello my dear student. Today our lesson is about location. But first of all, I want to ask you something. If I want to visit you at home, but I don't know where you live, so I will ask you to describe for me the address, right? Like you are going to tell me I live, for example, in the airport road next to the El Falah station, the first building, the second floor. So you are going to tell me your place, right? And that's what we meant by location. Your place. Where are you? So when you describe something, you are talking about location. And then we took the globe. Many times. This is the globe. And we said the globe, it's a model of the earth. It's not real earth, right? And the first one who made the globe from silver was Muhammad al-Idrisi, was from Morocco, right? So the globe is a spherical. If I asked you to describe the ball, you are going to tell me what round, right? And round mean spherical. Is a spherical model of the earth. It's not real earth. On the globe, we are going to notice that there is a line. This is a red line in the middle of the earth that divided the earth into equal parts. They are the same, right? This line in the middle, we named it equator. So equator is a line in the middle of the earth that divided the earth into parts, right? And the first part is called northern. And the second part, again, the first part here, we named it northern. And the second part down, we named it southern. So again, there is a line that divided, and this line is not real. This line called equator that divided the earth into parts on the map. The first part up, we named it northern, and the second part down, we named it southern, right? And both of northern and southern, we named them hemisphere, right? So if I got in the quiz, hemisphere, they are what? North, east, south, west? No, you are going to tell me northern and southern. Both of them, we named them hemisphere. Hemi means half. A half. If I hide the first part like this, you are going to see the half, right? The second half. So a half, we named it hemi. And then we move to the second page. I want from you to underline the important things. Maps are drawing. Maps tells us where places are, right? It tells us about the location of each place. Maps can show neighborhoods, the place of your neighborhoods, cities, the countries, and even the whole world. From the map, I can know the place for each country. And then we'll move to the third page, on page 60. If I asked you the real places on the map, it means the place for Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Is it a real place on the map in real? Of course not. It's not real, but it's nearly. It's not possible to draw exactly on a map. So we draw what? We can use colors and symbol drawing, right? We can use, and what is the meaning of symbol? As we talk it in grade 1, a symbol, it's a picture like this. A picture without any word, but from the picture I can know the meaning. Like this, it tells you to stop, right? So A symbol, it's a simple drawing without any word. And here in the book, these symbol drawing are called symbols. Start to underline with me. These symbol drawing, we named it symbol. Yes, a picture without any word but tells us something. And then we'll move to another thing. If you saw this, here I have graphics, right? Graphics. They drew something. But from these graphics, I can know. Yes, I can know this mountain, right? This picture for mountain. This is a picture for house. This is a picture for forest. This is a picture for lakes. And in the other side, they put for you these graphics and beside it the name of each one. So this called map key. Map key. The map key explained to me the meaning of each picture, the meaning of each graphic. So a map key explains what each symbol represents, what is the meaning. Yes, from this I can know this is a mountain. Yes, and here he wrote for you mountain. This forest, this house. So a map key explained to me the meaning of each symbol. What is the meaning of each one? And the last one, we are going to a book. Yes, a book that full only with maps. A book only, this like this book, A book full only with maps. We named it Atlas. Atlas. So again, a book of map that only full of maps. There is nothing in it except this. We named it Atlas. So let's revise together again, right? Location, what we meant by location. Location, the place where you are. And then we move to the globe, and we said the globe, it's a model of the earth, but it's not real earth. And we said that there is a globe, there is a line that divided the earth into equal, they are the same, into equal parts. This line, we named it equator. And we said that the equator divided the earth in two parts. The first part, we named it northern. And the second part, we named it southern. And both of northern and southern, both of them, we named them hemispheres. And then we move to the symbol. And we said that the symbol, it's a picture without any word. But from this picture, I can know the meaning. Yeah. So the symbol, the meaning of symbol, it's a symbol drawing. That's what we meant by symbol. And then we move to the map key. A map key, here we have graphics, pictures without any things. But here he drew the picture and without it the name. So this called map key. A map key explain each symbol, explain what is the meaning of each one. And then we move to the last thing, a book. A book that only full of maps. Yeah, only full of maps. This book called Atlas. So a book of map, we called it Atlas. I finished my lesson. I hope that you enjoyed with it. See you soon. Bye-bye.